All right, here's our next problem. And it's drawn a little different because I have division in here. I have x divided by -3 plus 6 equals 3. So I drew my x and I divided it into 3 pieces. All right, so let's start with what I have on both sides, or rather, I need to get all of these over here. So I could add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 negatives over here. So that means I'm adding 6 negatives over here, but then I have to add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 negatives over here, -6. These 3 would cancel out, all of these cancel out, and I'm left with, oh, I didn't color these, 1, 2, 3 negatives, so that's -3, and I can even think about it, the signs are different, take the difference, 6 minus 3 is 3, 6 as a number is bigger than 3, so my answer is negative. 6 minus 6 is 0, and now I'm left with x divided by -3 gives me -3. Alright, so if I think about it this way, x divided by -3 is equal to -3. We talked about inverse operations yesterday, and remember the inverse operation of division is multiplication. So if I wanted to undo this division, I could multiply both sides. I'm actually going to draw a dot. I can multiply both sides by -3. Okay? And that would get rid of this. That would again make that coefficient of 1. So I can make my big 1. So I just have x by itself. And -3 times -3 is +9. Because 3 times 3 is 9. My signs are the same, so my answer is positive. Well, let's check that with the picture. So we already got rid of the 6 here and added the -6 and canceled these out. So I have x broken up into 3 pieces. I don't really worry about the negative sign in my pictures unless I'm drawing these chips. So with the multiplication division, I'm not totally worried about it. But when I'm dividing x into 3 pieces, and I know that it's equal to, that each piece now is equal to -3, because it's x divided by this is equal to -3. So I can even write -3 for this piece, -3 for this piece, -3 for this piece, -3 times 3, or -3 plus -3 plus -3 gives me -9. Oh, I'm sorry. This is -3. Oh, because I wrote that wrong. See, even your teachers make mistakes. This is 3, this is 3, this is 3, this is +9, because 3 plus 3 plus 3 is +9. See why it's good to draw the pictures and do the math? Make sure you get it right. So, there we go. There's our next problem.